is a special report from News Talk 820 AM, WBAP.
Meteorologist Caden Landry live at the WBAP Weather Center. A new tornado warning is being issued for Johnson and Tarrant counties. Please stand by as we alert our other stations on WBAP. The National Weather Service in Dallas-Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for Johnson and Tarrant counties. At 12:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was observed near Joshua, or 3 miles southwest of Burleson, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include tornado. Radar indicated this rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and sidings will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Cross Timber, Burleson, Crowley, Everman, Edge Cliff Village, Forest Hill, Rendon, and Kennedale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This has been a message from WBAP.